Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask the Experts. I'm Rachel Landry, and today I'm joined by my colleague Jeff Hatzel, a product manager here at the company. Today, Jeff will be talking to us about the new Viewshed feature in Global Mapper Mobile Pro. All right, Jeff, take it away.
Hi, Rachel. Thanks for having me back on Ask the Experts. For this session, we're going to take a look at the new Viewshed tool in Global Mapper Mobile Pro. The Viewshed tool was added with the latest release, version 2.3, and is a great, easy way to create a viewshed while out in the field to get an understanding of a certain area. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and load a map file that I created on my desktop and sent to Global Mapper Mobile. So I have some reference vector data here, roads, building structures, and then my point of interest here at a parking lot in a facility where we're going to be placing a signal tower. I do also have some terrain data, and that's just displayed underneath my imagery, so we don't see it by default, but it is there. And so that's going to be necessary for us in order to create a viewshed, since that's done based off of the terrain. So the Viewshed tool is found in the toolbox. All I need to do first is select a point. So we'll notice my point here is selected on the screen. And then we can go ahead and open the toolbox and choose Viewshed. Now, the idea here, the Viewshed tool will look similar to the Viewshed tool in Global Mapper Desktop, with the caveat that it has, a little bit fewer settings, right? We're not expecting to do a full, large, blown analysis on a mobile device, but I want to get an understanding of whether or not where I am in the field is in fact a suitable or potential site. So I can specify my view radius and area, the transmitter height, which in this neighborhood is going to be 50 meters, and the receiver height, we expect a person on the ground to be about 2 meters. And so what we'll do is confirm those parameters, and then when we hit OK and this processes, we'll get a little status bar screen as things are processing on the device. And then the output from this is going to look very familiar to what you'd get on Global Mapper Desktop. We now have a viewshed centered on our selected point based on the parameters that we provided. We can see, where we have gaps in our coverage. So a very low area here, maybe some other regions that are blocked a little bit as well. So depending on our goals, we may say, okay, this site is sufficient. It covers this neighborhood, and that's great. It allows us to get a quick, rough idea to send back to the office prior to continuing our analysis in the field. And so that's all I wanted to discuss today. Thank you for having me back, Rachel, and I look forward to being on another Ask the Experts in the future.
Jeff, thank you so much for sharing with us about the new feature in Global Mapper Mobile Pro. I know our audience will be excited to try it. To learn more about Global Mapper Mobile and Global Mapper Mobile Pro, visit bloomarblegeo.com today. And as always, thank you so much for joining us today for this Ask the Experts, and we hope to see you next time.